On the 30th of November to the 1st of December, a few of our teammates went to the ERSA Conference 2022 in Birmingham. We started the day showing information on our business stand. There was an introduction to the conference in the main auditorium. We were excited to attend a range of industry workshops and lucky enough to host our own on neurodiversity support. Genius Within Ambassador Paul Stevenson held a Q&A about his lived experiences of neurodivergence. Our founder, Dr. Nancy Doyle, delivered a speech and presentation. We spent the evening at the ERSA Awards. It was great to talk to so many like-minded individuals. To find out more about how Genius Within can support you or your business, contact us at clientservices@geniuswithin.org or visit www.geniuswithin.org.